What's up, guys? A lot has happened in the last 2 days. A lot of charts are looking extremely bullish. Like, I don't know how you could not be bulled up right now with everything going on, with everything the US president's doing, the fact that Jerome Powell just went on 2 days ago and said it's okay for US banks to hold crypto. So much is going on right now. So I kind of just wanted to go over a few charts and review some of the tokens that I've been over the last few weeks. It might look a little messy here, so just bear with me, guys. Every chart has its own purpose that I wanted to show you. Um, First off is the total crypto market cap. This is the entire crypto market cap. And if we just look at this for now, and we've been holding pretty steady between like 3 to 3.7 trillion. Just been a giant range ever since like the beginning of December, basically. But it's good. We're pretty much bull flagging it up all the way up here. Just getting to the specifics of where I'm at right now. Market structure is looking pretty freaking good. I have this white line drawn up over here just because I'm waiting for us to close like a solid 2 to 4 hour candle above this, and I'm closing all my head shorts. Just because the charts say one thing, the macros say one thing, it's always good to play it safe and hedge your bets. I don't advise anyone to short during the bull market though. You're probably gonna get wrecked. But if we see a nice consolidation above 3.55, close up, maybe wick down here, retrace to the 50%, and move on up. At least that's the most highly likely scenario I'm seeing at this point. But the more important thing is what this is doing to altcoins right now. Like, so this is the USDT chart. You can see that right at the beginning, this is around the time Powell went on. As soon as he started to act a little more dovish, everything, all the numbers were coming in according to expectations. But I believe some of this sharp increase down was due to the fact that at the end of the meeting, Powell said, yeah, banks can custody Bitcoin now. They can do whatever they want as long as they're responsible with it. And I think the market just saw that as okay, risk on. Or maybe even in a way where people don't frame Bitcoin as quote unquote risky anymore, especially if the Federal Reserve says that banks are allowed to custody it, right? Ethereum over here, and we have to look at Ethereum next to Bitcoin. Let me take out, so we're just on the 1 hour chart here, but look at how much strength Ethereum is holding over Bitcoin now. That's what we want to see right there. Bitcoin is just slowly grinding down, so it's building up a ton of liquidity on the upside, which is really good to see. Ethereum is attempting to break market structure on the upside, which is also really good to see. It's basically like the first thing it needs to do to climb back out of the bottom of this range. But that's good, right? Like, here's the ETH Bitcoin chart, which a lot of people I respect are calling bottom on this. And I might have to agree with them too. Ethereum starting to outpace Bitcoin is going to be like, that's kind of the very beginning of like true alt season. That's kind of what we wanted to see this whole time, if you're heavily invested in alts like I am. But let's take a look at some of these charts. Axelar, I've covered this a couple times. We are finally I think we finally hit the bottom on this chart, honestly. We like, that's max pain to the bottom right there. If you're wondering, my high leverage trade on this got closed out. I TP'd out on a little bit of profit once I noticed this. I'm still holding all of my spot bags on it though. I'm still extremely bullish on this as a token as a whole. But if we just look across the map, look at Chainlink right here. It's just been exploding to the upside. Like, that is about 14.5% in 2 days. Like I've said before, protocols like Link and Aave have just been showing insane strength, partly because of their part of the US made crypto narrative, and they're held by World Liberty Financial too. I think they're holding like some pretty big positions on Link and Aave. If we can break above just around 25 to 26, hold it as support and break above, we're shooting higher. Superverse is something that I've been holding. It's been painful, honestly, because I've had a leverage position on this. I've just been adding to margin, but I took another position all the way down here just because I saw this reversal happening, and Super is holding up a ton of strength, just like Chainlink. I believe this has gone up a little more, yeah, about 20% in the last 2 days. If Super can just come above right where it is right now, if we can close right above the 1.02, we're going higher. A lot of charts do have a lot of like built up liquidity on the bottom. We might wick out and take out like 50% of it after closing above, something like that. But honestly, I might have to call bottom too. Obviously, right? There's no financial advice here. I'm just telling you how I'm playing it. This is a really, really good spot for a reversal just because we have explosive move up. I guess I can show that on the total crypto market chart instead. I'm on the 4-hour, but if we just look at the 1-hour chart, this was around the time of the meeting. We had this explosive move up. We went up, we wicked down really quick and took up whatever built up liquidity we had over here and went right back up. Whenever we have explosive moves like this, you often don't see a reversal. So just keep that in mind if you're trying to build a position or trying to get in on any of these levels. We might just keep ripping. We might have another retrace. Who knows? Just play it level by level. Lastly, I kind of wanted to go over the Trump meme coin too, just because the chart's looking like this, but I know a lot of big crypto investors are like extremely bulled up on Trump. There's a ton of people that I know that said they'd start accumulating when it hit $25. It hit that, and I believe that's what's happening right here. So I took a little bit of a small leverage trade on this too. You know, it's kind of a gamble play, playing meme coins. But anyway, I hope this helps you guys out a little bit in navigating the current markets. If you guys have any thoughts or opinions, please let me know in the comments. If you want me to make more videos like this analyzing the markets, let me know too. I'd be more than happy to do it. Anyway, see you guys in the next one. Peace.